wo wase no onye de awo pe on tafre wo mpaboa ho on de da afom dware ndote no akoda ne nim nyansa etimi ye na abeti ye ha betime ja adwuma nchina obi antimi stop me
bibini abawiase obresa awo
etimi me cost station bia me sign contract wudi se hunu na come on na mo fee se me mu ade me wie madwuma ma
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Edwada me ba na wada nyame ase me wie madwuma me nkrasa me komo yoyo bi abo ye mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o yo mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o bye the atiane say hey ye yo man ye nya political party eti man nya wade say na ye aya okasa atobo na akasa di atem na akasa hey say yo mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o ye ondu atem ne ba no wafa
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also onsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
No wo wase no onye de awo pe on tafre wo mpaboa ho on de da afom dware ndote no akoda ne nim nyansa etimi ye na abeti ye ha betime ja adwuma nchina obi antimi stop me
bibini abawiase obresa awo
etimi me cost station bia me sign contract wudi se hunu na come on na mo fee se me mu ade me wie madwuma
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Edwada me ba na wada nyame ase me wie madwuma me nkrasa me komo yoyo bi abo ye mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o yo mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o bye the atiane say hey yo man ye nya political party eti man nya wade say na ye aya okasa atobo na akasa di atem na akasa hey say yo mayo wi ameriko am obi so abaye o ye ondu atem ne ba no wafa yo mayo wi ameriko eti sagleme ebesi hwa pro when you be and come once a month, no beam. A favor was out to us, and our Kojo Smart, I give no. Say, Uncle, same way, Captain or what? Yo, my area, miracle. Eh, Kumasi, Jacob for 38 military hospital. A Bessie Pro, when you be and come once a month, yo, my area, miracle.
Morning shows.
Why a film? What the I Why a fit? Oh, no, why a fit? No, what the I have fit?
I said, more than you.
What the I have, and
yeah, that. Friday, now, me can't say, media may call 1 tiers here. Where before who? Ya wo yare. Ye yare nyina ne se. Ye mfa tumi a ye won ti asem. Na ye mfa nyansa ye won so ndane dane asem. Ye de adwene abuya. Ye nyina ne se ye te ye na. Sabi si yo merio medjuma mereko am obi so ababio. Ba say na me pon ye the 12 o'clock news ba so. Sabi ka twa say me ko. Mewie medjuma me ko. Me ko so obi aba ye den abeto so. That you obeba ondi watem no wafa ne sa because news kan ye ni atem. You do baby as I say you're very analytical. By
the PN into when you been air cattle oriented the school, they were sent by the PNDC to eliminate Pastor Mwako, who was the founder of the Resurrection and Resurrection Power Ministry. Those days, okay. Mr. Jima, a building contractor, narrated how his late brother lashed at the military government during the Armed Forces Revolutionary AFRC Forum. Witness his brother preached against the executions in 1979, arguing that such actions would attract the wrath of God. Now, according to Jima, 2 people went to the church in Accra and confessed to his brothers that he had been sent to eliminate him. One of them was Dr. Lawrence Tete, a former CDR member and now host of Miracle Touch on Metro TV. And Pastor Kwabena Kodia, with another woman confessing. Until Lawrence Tete no namono adumbi and ajene sesanku ojai sa brono. Ojai sa belisem nan ko dwene ne salvation ho. Some person salvation or person sorry for nya. Anyways, we thank you for that. AJ, any part for 4 minutes, fast. So be anchor for 4 minutes.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their 2nd year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife? You remember Ghana at 50? They did all these things, lied and won elections. They still use the same playbook they used in 2008 to win the 2024 elections. Now the president has seen that indeed they couldn't prove the cases. Even out of the 32, that Okujeto has said that they are watertight, that they are just low-hanging fruits. They cannot even start 5 successful prosecutions. Now, as the lawyer, he will tell you that it is left with less than 25 weeks of legal, 25 legal weeks for them to leave the scene in 2029. I can tell you in all honesty that the NDC will not be able to do 5 successful prosecutions. They can't. To even follow through to the end. They arrested Hanan last year. The case is yet to start.
The rules of justice, they said, right?
You see, when you paint the picture that these people are corrupt, when we said they were corrupt in 2016, when we came in, the first assignment was we were able to finish the prosecution of Abuga Pele and Asebet. They went to jail.
But they started.
Babuka, it was.
They started.
Even it was. They were convicted on other jobs. No, they were not. They were convicted in 2018.
I'll check it.
They were convicted in 2018. Yes, they started the prosecution. They started Abuga Pele's prosecution in 2015. They followed through with some lackadaisical attitude. We came in and we made sure that we completed.
I'll check
again.
It.
When you check the NCA, we were able to get conviction of Eugene Bafuwomi, William Tivier, and Alhaji Mumina. Then the venture capital, we got conviction for 4 people. You understand? So when we say that these people are corrupt, we were able to follow through to get it done.
Okay.
But they will use all this to win elections.
It was completed in 2018.
2018. You understand? So we had to do all these things. So what I'm saying is that the oral is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. That's the reason you see the Attorney General addressing press conferences to mention people and mention properties that do not even belong to the people. At the end of the day, they can't even go to court to start prosecution. That's the reason the president is saying that. In order not for really the NDC lawyers to also be angry, let me just get some NDC lawyers, pay them so that they will be able to. This is a drain on our resources. Because if you want, as lawyer Pierre Dankwa has said, if you think the Attorney General's office is under-resourced, resource it. Give it all the... Recruit the lawyers. Let them work within the Attorney General's office. Let them help in the prosecution. You remember when you check our manifesto? We saw that indeed there will be an expansion of the law school where you have a lot of lawyers and so on. When you go to the various districts, in districts like even my district, when you come to Asokore, when you go to Secretary East, I have 2 districts. That is FDRC Asokore. We don't even have legal aid there. When you check our manifesto, Dr. Mamiya is saying that if you vote for him to be president of Ghana, we will have legal aids in every district so that at least people who have issues there will be able to get the state to even support them. If you think you need lawyers, we don't need private lawyers to prosecute issues in this country. As he said, that is when the corruption and cutting of deals will come. You remember what Fifi Kwete said? Fifi Kwete saw that indeed this Attorney General cannot do anything. He has said publicly that NDC lawyers are already cutting deals. The NDC lawyers who are cutting deals, you want them to get legitimacy again. We will not accept that. We will push.
Joseph Osebunsu, Konongo Mampong, where President Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference, we spoke against it. And Nana Sofupon, Majukozi Jemfi. We are still speaking against it. That is principle. That is principle. Also, Lawrence said, and to what person would say, the President Bakubi or Hodia and the no cry or Bible. But other person or Hodia, no cry or Bible. Kau ye din ananke, who ye din and one country ya, nanke ye pa. Also, was the only one. I dear Baku or also a man for Kafa may come with ye and pay say. And run the social media so much say, oh, pow. Yes, say, a banty board to be a woman never share ton, state glance in the idea, now the board no subi. And also, that Ninaka and run somewhere after way about social media and so. And the scientists are, Papa, but more than the issue statement to say, so some lady and no credit. But where the old kind the video in the or in artist, I will say, my LGBT Nyaman yourself. So, on said, President Mama, I can't say, and yet priorities is here. Oh, we are not feeling squat for Super can't say, I LGBT no, and yet priority my aim. And I also the other to say, and me and fine. I want now would they condemn or yet time on that President Kufado Tia National. So I want then and Casso for Penny Lauren Teta, or be a boo. Now, maybe she said, God is I want in a Becassa. Actually, President Mahama said, oh, boy, ura, a priority Magana for. So, I did 20 a priority 2024. And then you better do 2026, the end priority view. And what can be said, what's awesome?
Peace FM.
Fan kwana dwindwin o koda adwene wo ho ensema me bobosi fa kwa dwindwin mu na bisa ho se NPP ti yesu ne ye ban yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pa cho mi bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any year kofa it is a yaya show suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here Me pacho me be so ya ready for power. Because ya NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024. Ni ene a wo maji go ye friends go concession mienu. First team say 2028 election sika be wo mu papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country no ye enjoy what na biem. Ye frey na pa ho adaben de ye die wu ene ye giedra eno ne ye pe. Enti obi anyone wa ba ba dwene future. Obi timi ekogina adokno ne nkinam so to waba. Ade
ba se o gyan nyame kwan na ode ato ho no. Se wo so ye sofo na wo be ka no kura kire Ghana fo. Na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kura wei na mo kan. Na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo. Wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni